Eat, eat,
Eat! Eat! I always eat dinner with Lois.
She always eats my lunch.
I always eat after you, Bates.
Can you eat it?
Yeah, I can always eat.
You can eat this?
You can eat! I can always eat.
8.
They ate cubanos.
They ate rats!
And they ate her.
They ate the comment book!
Have you eaten?
Have you eaten?
Have you eaten?
I have not eaten or slept.
Before we get started.
Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
Oh, I'm like a totally different person now.
But I'm a different person now.
I'm very happy.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy.
So happy for you.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy for her.
Am I? I was happy.
I was sad. I was lonely.
I was never lonely.
That was great!
I was worried.
I was good!
I was there.
Who's there?
Was there?
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, I was there. Is he handsome? Is he single?
Is he handsome? Yes. He is handsome.
He's ugly.
He is handsome.
That was ugly. That happened.
That was ugly. What? Was it that I was ugly?
It was ugly. Big ugly.
It was pretty ugly.
You are beautiful!
You are beautiful.
You are beautiful.
You're smart. You're beautiful. You're determined.
You're smart and you're beautiful.
Elsa and I were really close when we were little, but we were so close. We were so close.
We were so happy.
We were nice. We were happy.
We were happy here.
So there we were.
We were never outside. We were here all day.
We were never here.
I've been robbed, been shot, been stabbed.
I've been hot. I've been robbed. I've been
Robbed.
Who did?
Who would do that?
I do.
You do?
You do?
You do?
Yes, I do.
How could you do this?
How could you do this? He can't do it without you, and he knows that.
Does he?
Yes, he does.
He does.
Oh, he does he?
Yes, he does.
Who did that?
How did he do that? How did he do that?
How did he do that?
Who did that?
Oh, she did she?
Pony. She did?
She did?
We actually did it!
We did it!
We did it!
We did it! We did it! Yes!
Done!
Done.
We're done? Done?
Done.
Done.
Have we? We can't have.
We don't have a fallback plan here.
Okay. No. We had a plan. We have.
You have a plan here.
Don't worry. I have 3 plans.
Don't worry. We have a plan.
And he has a gap between his teeth. He has green eyes.
He has diamonds in his teeth.
He has nice eyes. He only has eyes for your mom.
He has your eyes.
He has your eyes.
We had a connection.
Thought we had a real connection.
That we had a real connection.
So sad. I thought we had a real connection.
No, I thought we had a connection here.
You'll get offered something soon.
You'll get more offerings, King.
Vi får mer information väldigt snabbt.
Until we get more information.
We get more information, yes.
I got some information. I got some new information.
I got some information.
You got any ideas?
You got any ideas?
I got it.
I got a headache.
Have you got that?
Now, have you got that?
I got a great idea.
Hey, I've got a great idea.
Hey, I've got a great idea.
I've got a great idea.
I've already gotten calls.
I've gotten enough guff.
He's gonna go to New York City.
New York City.
Going to New York City.
Go, 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 go.
On your
We're going to New York City.
We're going to New York.
Go.
Go!
We're not going to New York City.
She went to her friend's house.
Julia, she went to your house.
I went to your house.
She went to Oxford? No, she went to Pittsburgh to look up her birth mom, and she went to Spelman.
She went to Yale.
He went quietly, he went peacefully, he went happily.
Gone. Gone.
Gone.
Where has she gone?
She hasn't got one, has she?
Is she gone?
He's gone.
Gone. Gone. Gone.
Gone. Gone.
Come with me.
No. Come with me. Come with me.
Come with me. No. Rory, come with me. Come with me.
No.
He'll be here. We'll come.
Come.
Come on, Flick.
Come on!
She came here with me.
She came here because...
She came for me.
You came for me.
You came for me.
He came. He came. You came.
Of course I did.
You came. Of course we came.
We have come.
Yeah. We have come.
I've come to say goodbye.
I've come to say goodbye.
I haven't come to say goodbye.
I shouldn't have come here.
I shouldn't have come.
I shouldn't have come here.
You shouldn't have come here.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't have come here.
Oh, my friend. I want to show you something.
I want to show you something.
I want to show you something.
I can show you.
Show me!
Can I show you something terrific?
Show me the check again. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me.
Showed you. I have to show you.
You showed discipline. You showed leadership.
You showed some real leadership.
He showed me some pictures.
He showed us some pictures.
Yeah, he showed us all these pictures.
No, studies have shown.
Recent brain scan studies have shown.
Studies have statistically shown.
To show love.
Please, you have shown enough.
Does she make you happy? Because I make you happy.
Does she make you happy?
Does teacher make you happy?
Does this make you happy?
Make me happy.
Makes me wanna turn around and face me.
Does it make you happy?
This does not make the ribosomes happy.
Does that make you happy?
Happy? Getting fired does not make me happy.
Does that make you happy?
Make me happy. Make your essay happy.
It made me proud.
Which made me proud.
It made me feel proud.
It made me crazy.
It made me realize
But it made me realize that
It made me think.
Actually, it made me think.
But you have made.
It was his idea.
Only because you made him have it.
But you have made that impossible.
But I have made some awesome friends.
Great. I made some friends.
See.
See?
What? What do you see?
What do you see?
What do you see?
Can you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Hold it! I just saw somebody.
I saw him before.
I saw him before in my life.
Saw that. Saw it.
Saw it! We saw it!
Seen?
You've seen what's happening.
You've seen it happen. Big Ben destroyed.
Because I've seen what you've seen.
You haven't seen what I've seen.
You have no idea what I've seen.
Far beyond what you've seen.
You break her heart, I'll break your neck.
Forward and break your neck.
Break your neck.
Be careful. God, he's gonna break his neck.
We gotta paint that on the side of our...
Break a leg.
I'll break all his legs.
Broke his leg.
Broke his leg.
That's just because I broke my leg last season. You know.
I think I broke my arm.
Yeah, because you broke my arm.
His arm is broken.
His arms and his legs are broken.
Have broken my heart.
My heart's broken?
My heart is broken.
My heart was broken.
My heart was broken.
How you feeling?
I feel great. How do you feel?
No.
I feel great. I feel great.
How do you feel? Do you feel okay?
Do you feel that?
It's two.
Do you feel giddy?
Yeah.
Do you feel inadequate?
Do you feel enormous?
Why would you confess?
I felt helpless.
I felt helpless. I felt trapped.
I never felt trapped. Really? He felt I'd be safe there.
He felt safe.
When did you start wearing glasses? 3rd grade, but I never felt safe enough. I never felt safe here.
I haven't felt this deep.
Has ever felt this heartbroken before?
I haven't felt this good in months.
I haven't felt this relaxed and carefree.
I haven't felt this relaxed in like ever.
I'll tell you something.
Let me tell you something else.
You know what? Don't tell me.
I'll tell you something else.
I'll tell you something else.
And let me tell you something else.
Don't ever tell me how to do my fucking job.
I told you.
He told me.
Told you? Oh. I told her. You told who what?
Who told you what?
What? Who told you that?
What?
I have told you.
What have I told you, kids? What have I told you?
And I have told you.
Who else have you told about this?
Only you.
I have never told anyone. We would like to speak to this Vol.
Akuta alone speaks to Vol.
I want to speak to you.
Liza, would you like to speak?
I would like to speak to you.
Would you like to speak to my dad?
My spiritual mother.
I spoke with her.
Spoke to Helen.
Yes, I spoke to her.
How do you know I spoke to her?
Because I spoke to her.
Oh, you spoke to her?
Yeah. Yeah, didn't you tell her to speak to me?
Have you spoken to her? Why not? Why haven't you spoken?
Because she hates me.
Have you spoken to them?
No.
Somebody somewhere is going to. Have you spoken to Mabel?
I have. But I wasn't going to bring it up.
Have you spoken to Grandma lately?
Yeah.
Hear me?
Yes, Captain.
Can you hear?
Yeah, I hear.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you. What's up? I heard the Greeks and the Romans say the same thing. You heard that? I heard that.
You heard.
No, I didn't hear anything.
What have you heard?
I heard something I think I should not have heard.
Also, I've heard a rumor.
Though you may have heard otherwise.
Otherwise, you would have heard all the times that
What? Have you heard from him?
No. Have you heard from him today?
No.
Have you heard from him?
No.
What do you know?
I don't know anything.
How do you know that?
How did you know that? How did I know that?
Yeah, how did you know that? Who knows?
Oh, no.
I know! You know!
Yeah, I knew.
No!
Yeah, I knew.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah.
And you would have known that.
Well, how would I have known that? It's
Never would have known. You would have known.
How would I have known?
You couldn't have known.
No, let me. Don't.
don't let me down.
Let him die slow.
Don't let him die.
Let him have it.
I had to let you know. I finally let it go.
Let it go to waste?
Well, I couldn't let it go to waste.
I couldn't let it go.
You let him go, then.
But you let him go.
And they let him go.
They let me go, but
Well, I finally let go.
And you let her go alone?
Finally, I had to let you go.
I had to. I couldn't let you go.
Find her.
Find her!
I'll find her.
I found my happy ending at last.
Optimum shall hear of my displeasure when she's found.
Found?
Found! I found her! I found her!
We found her.
At last! We found her!
I have found.
I have found it.
I'm so happy to have found you at last.
I found you at last.
I'm so happy to have found you again.
The important thing is what I am becoming.
I'll just become a doctor.
I'll just become a YouTube star.
So maybe I'll become a facialist.
I think he wants to become king.
Yeah, I'll just become the new king. What do you think?
Before you became Jack Frost.
He became you. What she became.
Came what you made her.
Emily. I became you. What have I become? What have I become?
Sweet Teen Wolf, what have I become?
You shouldn't become what I am.
Say.
What do you say?
What do you say?
I have cancer.
I'm sorry, what?
I have cancer.
What do you say?
What?
I have cancer. It's cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dear.
Oh dear. I'm sorry.
You said.
What you said?
You said what?
You said what?
He said it again. He said.
I shouldn't have said that.
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 What do you want to send? Send me.
Who sent you here? They sent you here.
Who sent you?
I wasn't sent.
He sent you. He sent you to torment me.
He sent me here.
I am here because he sent me here.
He sent me here. Okay, so I sent you down there.
Where have you sent her?
Where have you sent him?
She would have sent him in.
Well, you shouldn't have sent him.
I shouldn't have said that.
Who will you take?
You can't take me home.
Take me home! Take me home right now!
Take me home.
Take me home.
They took him. They took him?
They took him. Took him? Took him where?
They took away.
They took my boo away!
They took them away.
Taken!
You've taken tens.
You've taken.
You've taken it.
Taken. Taken as well. Gimme, gimme, gimme!
Gimme, 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 gimme.
Gimme, gimme, gimme! Gimme, 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 gimme!
I have none to give.
But I still have to give you this.
And I still have more to give.
I gave you information he gave me.
I gave you.
I gave you?
I gave you everything.
I gave you everything I had.
Well, I gave you a chance.
Well, I gave him a chance, and he failed.
He has given us a second chance.
We've been given a second chance. We've been given this opportunity.
Been given a second chance.
You've been given a second chance. Take it.